Hi everyone, this is Abhishek and welcome to Coding Crush. Yes, I've changed the name of the channel, and why I do that I will explain you that in any other video. But for this video we have a different topic. We are going to learn some very basic keyboard shortcuts for Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, Windows 7, and definitely they will also work on Windows 11. So let's start the video. So here we have the first keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl+A. Let's suppose you want to select all the text mentioned in this file. So you can do that with the help of your mouse. You can do this with left click. Okay, and you can do this. But this takes time. So you can use Ctrl+A. All the text in the file is now selected and it is highlighted by blue color. So now you can do anything with this. You can cut, copy, or you can do anything. This is how Ctrl+A works. It is used for selecting all the documents or all the text that is available in the file. Next keyboard shortcut that we have is Ctrl+C. This keyboard shortcut is used for copying. I am selecting this text, and if I want to copy this, I will use Ctrl+C. I can also do that with the right click and by selecting this option, copy option. But I have a shortcut for this. Just select it and use Ctrl+C. Okay, now you can paste it anywhere. I can paste it here also. Ctrl+V. We use Ctrl+V for that we have here. This keyboard shortcut, this one. Okay, now this keyboard shortcut is used for pasting. Okay, we can also do that by using right click, but I'm using Ctrl+V for pasting. Okay, Ctrl+C is used for copying. It copies your file or your text from one place, and Ctrl+V, that is our third keyboard shortcut. This is used for pasting. Now we have Ctrl+X. We can use Ctrl+X for cutting. Let's take the same example that we had. I have selected this portion of my file. Okay, if I want to just remove this part of my file, and if I want to paste it in any other place, then I can simply use right click and I can cut it from this area, or I can use Ctrl+X. Okay, Ctrl+X. Now it is removed from this place and I can paste it. Let me create a new notepad file. Here I can use Ctrl+V for pasting. Okay, I'm using Ctrl+V, or definitely I can use my paste option that I have by using right click. So this is how cut works. But when we move to our original file, the text that we copied is now removed from my original file. But I would not like to do that, so I will paste it here. Okay, let's move to the next one that we have. It is Ctrl+Find. Now trust me, I just got to know that there is some shortcut like Ctrl+F. I had no idea about that, but yeah, it exists, and it is used for finding some text or some file without clicking on the search button that we have. We don't have to move to this option of searching. We can simply use Ctrl+F. Okay, it automatically clicks on my searching option. We can use to search any word on notepad by using Ctrl+F. Okay, we have it. Let me search return. Okay, and let me find return. Okay, now we have return here. It is highlighted. Now let's move to the next one. We have shift delete. Let me use shift delete in my file explorer. Now you can use delete button that you have in your keyboard for deleting a file. But what will happen if you delete this file? Now it is gone to your recycle bin. Here it is. This. We deleted this file and now it is here. So we can definitely restore it. But if you want to delete the file permanently, let me delete this file permanently. So I will use shift and then delete. Now when I press yes, the file is deleted from my hard disk. Now it is not available in recycle bin. It is gone from the recycle bin. So this is how my shift delete works. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have Ctrl+N. Now Ctrl+N is used for creating a new document. For example, let's open defc++. Okay, if I want to create a new file, then I will simply use Ctrl and then N. Now a new untitled file is opened. by just using Control plus N. This is how Control plus N works. We can also create new folder in our file explorer, but for that we have to use Control Shift N. Okay, can you see? I used Control Shift N for creating a new file. Now if you want to save something, if you created a change, like for example in this file I add something. Okay, now if I want to save it, I can use this option here in file, save option. Okay, but if I want to use a shortcut for this, then I can simply use Control plus S. Now it is saved. Trust me, it is saved. This is how Control plus S works. Okay, now if I want to print something, let's suppose if I want to print this file, I can use Control plus P. Okay, Control plus P. Now my printing option is now available here. I can print it. Okay, this is how Control plus P works. Let's move to the Z, Control plus Z. Now let's suppose I just deleted here a new file. Recently I just deleted a new file. Let me delete this one. Okay, I have deleted this file. Now if I want to undo my delete, if I deleted the file by mistake and I want to get it back, I can use Control plus Z. Control Z. I don't have to move to the recycle bin and restore the file. I can simply use Control plus Z. As I wrote something here recently, I can use Control plus Z for removing that. Okay, we have learned about Control plus Z. Now we have F2. Let me tell you that F2 is not working in my laptop. This is because I have brightening option for F2 in my laptop, so that's why I can't use F2 in my laptop. But there are many laptops which have F2 for renaming a file. So if you want to rename a file, you can use it in your laptop or in your PC, but at this moment I can't show you. The next shortcut that we have is Shift Letter. With the help of this, we can use the letter in capital form. If I want to type G in capital form, then I can simply use Shift and then G. I don't have to use caps lock. The last keyboard shortcut is Windows button. The Windows button in your keyboard is simply used for starting menu. If you click on the Windows button, start menu is on your desktop. So these were the very basic keyboard shortcut that everyone is using. If there was any keyboard shortcut that you just learned from this video, then please tell me in the comment box. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.